Right now at 5, today's TMJ4 is with federal agents as they carry out a raid on homes in Milwaukee. Their targets, money and drugs.
Now, those raids took place just after sunup on Milwaukee's northwest side.
Rebecca Clough went with those agents as they were in search of some of the city's most notorious drug dealers. Rebecca's here to tell us about it.
Yes, Steve and Carol, the task force works to interrupt major criminal organizations in the city. This morning, they went after a large group bringing in drugs from Chicago, and we were with them exclusively as it happened. Our cameras were rolling as federal SWAT teams moved in on 8 homes in a well-choreographed mission.
They just rolled up, circled the place, put the light on the window up there, told them FBI, get down.
The agents were targeting homes in this area of northwest Milwaukee in hopes of busting up a heroin operation. A search is underway right now in this apartment complex. The FBI says they are looking for things like drugs and guns, all tied to a larger Chicago street gang. Agents say that gang is the Vice Lords. They arrested at least 7 people in raids today for everything from murder to drug trafficking.
These are larger scale dealers. They have a source supply in Chicago who distributes kilogram quantities of heroin here in Milwaukee.
Neighbors say if it's happening, they don't see it.
No, like drugs or gangs or anything like that?
No, it's not. No. I ain't seen nothing like that.
I stayed right down the street. I couldn't detect drug activity, and I know it.
Not a surprise for agents.
Usually the groups that we go after are a little flashy. They have expensive jewelry, drive expensive cars. That's not the case with this particular group. They're less flashy, but they still reach a level of violence that we're trying to eliminate.
Now, agents from the FBI, DEA, and ATF, plus Milwaukee and Wauwatosa police were all involved. They are part of the Regional Gang Task Force.
So the timing of all this, 8 houses in one fell swoop, I've got to imagine there's some strategy behind that.
Absolutely. They really say this is such a well-organized gang with deep ties in the neighborhood, and so they don't want any of the people that they maybe pay drugs or money to kind of keep them informed about what's going on, to tip off the other homes before they hit them.
Fascinating seeing that work done. Rebecca, thanks.